Hey guys, so today I am doing a product versus product and I'm trying out two different honey hair masks. The first one I'm going to try out is the Creme of Nature Pure Honey line, and this is the Moisture Replenish and Strength hair mask. It is meant for dry and damaged hair, but as you can see guys, it's such great slip. It's quite water based and I feel like it would be a great leave-in. It really detangled my hair well and the consistency is so nice, along with the sweet scent of it too. So this mask has no sulfates, no mineral oils. It also gets rid of any frizz. I apply this generously and smooth into every section of my hair and then leave it in for about 40 minutes whilst deep conditioning. So for the next mask, I'm trying out the SheaMoisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil, which I am a fan of. But compared to the Pure Honey mask, it is actually much thicker in consistency, as you can see here. It's pretty much like a pure shea butter kind of texture, which is really good for moisturizing. But if you like slip and you like to get through your hair much quicker and easily, you might prefer the Creme of Nature mask. So once I have applied the products to both sides, I then am going to just twist them up and then put them under my shower cap for about 40 minutes. The Creme of Nature mask says that you can use it for 5 to 10 minutes, but I wouldn't recommend that. I'd leave it in for just a little bit longer. So once I finish deep conditioning, I'm going to take down both sides, and I found that the Pure Honey side was a bit matted and dry inside, whereas the SheaMoisture mask seemed to get to my strands much quicker and my hair felt much softer. But I am a fan of both masks. The Pure Honey mask is cheaper if you're looking for a cheaper alternative, so I definitely recommend trying them both out. Not drying, but I do prefer the SheaMoisture one. Links to both products are below. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you in the next video.